The word power written behind is really making me nervous, and the two professions that I was always associated with has never had the need to talk. This is Fazwan. I am a photojournalist turned into an organic farmer. As we all know, the three most important aspects of human existence: roti, kapda, and makan. Unfortunately, roti, which is food, clothing, and shelter, is really flawed in our country. And I would try and tell you guys how I've tried to correct the situation. I became an organic farmer because of one incident that changed my perspective of food. While working with India Today, I had to do a story on people who grow greens and vegetables next to railway tracks. When we went to do the story, we realized the guy is having 24-hour water supply. What he does is simply put the pump in that gutter water and pump the water out on his field. That really shook me, and when speaking to that guy, I realized he has no guilt about it, neither was he concerned. But I was concerned. I was concerned about myself, I was concerned about my family. And I thought to myself, I should do something about this, and I quit my job to get into farming. I bought myself a land in Dhanu, and I started doing earnestly organic farming. It's been 6 years now, and 75% of the food that comes to me, to my dining table, is organic. And there are a few things which I have decided not to do in our home. First and foremost is we try and avoid eating any fruit which can't be peeled. For example, grapes, strawberries, figs, any fruit which can't be peeled is a no-no in our home. I remember when I was a kid, my mom used to force me to eat apples with the skin, saying, "Ke beta, it has a lot of nutrients." Sorry mom, along with nutrients there are a lot of chemicals, and these days I don't let my children eat anything without peeling. Second thing, the greens and vegetables which are bought from the market, I religiously try and wash it in potassium permanganate, which will reduce the microbes in the plants. Third thing, we have cut down on eating boiler chicken because of all the unethical practices that is being applied in fattening the chicken. If we have to eat, we try and eat desi. And I have personally seen a lot of this unorganized chicken farms, which the whole agenda is to fatten this chicken. Milk itself is a very big complex issue, with such a huge population and the milk production. It's a very complex issue, and we'll talk about it some other day. But my milk comes from 76 kilometers away from Bombay, where I live, and I pay a real premium rates of 90 rupees per liter. All this I want to urge people here that you can do a beginning. You can do a small beginning in your own terrace. If you have a passage, if you have a window where you can grow your own leaves and vegetables, do a beginning. Hopefully in the years to come, you'll also be self-sufficient in what you do. With that hope, I end. Thank you.